Want crystal clear evidence on the road? Today, I'll show you the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025 that deliver next-level protection and video quality you can count on. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025, where I'll cover product details, real customer feedback, and key pros to help you pick the perfect one for your car. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. KAWA D11 Dash Cam. The KAWA D11 offers true 4K recording in the front and 1080p in the rear, powered by a Sony Starvis sensor. It features Wi-Fi, GPS, AI ISP, color night vision, and motion detection. Reviews? Drivers love the night clarity and say the AI motion detection really helps with parking security. Pros? 4K front plus 1080p rear coverage. Sony Starvis sensor for low light. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. AI enhanced night vision. Compact, sleek design. Number 2. DDPAI Z60 Pro Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z60 Pro is loaded with Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, 4K front and rear recording, 5G HZ Wi-Fi, GPS, and even ADAS driver assistance alerts. Reviews? Users highlight its buttery smooth video playback and the ADAS alerts, saying it adds an extra layer of safety. Pros? 4K recording with Starvis 2 sensors. GPS tracking plus ADAS safety alerts. 5G HZ Wi-Fi for faster transfers. Crystal clear HDR night video. Reliable parking mode. Number 3. AZDOME M550 Pro Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro comes with front and rear 4K plus 1080p recording, 5.8G HZ Wi-Fi, GPS, and a parking monitor with night vision. It also has an upgraded chipset for smooth performance. Reviews? Owners praise its sharp video quality and say the parking mode with night recording works flawlessly. Pros? 4K UHD recording. 5.8 GHz, high-speed Wi-Fi. GPS enabled. Night vision plus parking monitor. Rear camera support included. Number 4. REDTIGER 4K Dash Camera. This REDTIGER 4K dash cam delivers ultra-clear front plus rear footage, Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24-hour parking mode. Designed as a reliable black box, it's perfect for everyday drivers. Reviews? Users love how easy it is to install and sync via the app, plus the GPS logging for insurance claims. Pros? 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. Built-in Wi-Fi plus GPS. 24-hour parking surveillance. User-friendly mobile app. Affordable but feature-rich. Number 5. AZDOME PG17 Dash Cam. The AZDOME PG17 is a 12-inch rearview mirror dash cam that records 4K front plus 1080p rear video. It doubles as a touchscreen mirror display with waterproof backup camera support. Reviews? Drivers say it's perfect for visibility, especially with the large mirror screen, and the backup cam makes parking stress-free. Pros? 12-inch wide touchscreen mirror display. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. Waterproof rear backup camera. Wi-Fi and app control. Doubles as a rearview mirror. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025. If you want AI night vision and sleek design, the KAWA D11 is a winner. For ADAS and Starvis 2 sensors, grab the DDPAI Z60 Pro. The AZDOME M550 Pro is great for reliable 24H parking protection. REDTIGER offers solid value at an affordable price. And if you like a mirror display with backup cam, the AZDOME PG17 is your pick. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.